Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Got that little blizzard thing going on. Do have a brand new rim and tire for the Suzuki here. I just gotta put that on and do an oil change and get that out of here. But oh, there's a brand new tranny for the little transmission. But that's a new transmission for the Dodge. We'll get that in there. But let's see what it looks like out here. Dang. Kid came out here, tried to ride the snowmobile earlier, and I told him not to go over by the hill over here. Can't see it, but like he got buried over there. It's like almost 4 feet deep. You can kind of see it coming off of there. But yeah, we got a blizzard coming on. There's a sled. I had to shovel it out. But yeah, I snowblowed earlier. That's all gone. Gotta redo that all again. That's about right where it's built up right there. It's gotta be at least 2 feet deep or better. So yeah, I gotta keep on top of this. Dang. Yeah, I just snowblowed about, I don't know, 4 hours ago. Anyway guys, that's just a little update. We'll get that. I still got to do finish up the lift gate in the van. I got to put this in the truck, finish up that tire on here, and get this out of here. And everybody have a Merry Christmas. Stay safe out there. I know the cold's coming through, so keep warm. Alright folks, round 2 is done. Let's see here. I can't turn on the flash. I think my battery's too dead or something. Probably because it's cold out here. The old snowblower is working, getting us some money's worth right now. Yeah. I just got done and that's how much is already built up. Anyway, see you guys on the next video. Be blessed.